Hey guys, how's it going? How to accept money on Zelle. Open the app, log into your account, check for notification, look for notification or message about the incoming payment, follow the instructions. If prompted, confirm the payment. In most cases, Zelle automatically deposits the funds into your linked account. You will receive notification once the money is deposited. So let me know in the comments if this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.